Good afternoon. It is March the 20th, 2018. Time to recap our trading today. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. We came in today with a down bias in the Emini. We wanted to sell 29s to 34s. The day session high was 28. We did just touch 29 over here. We had a buy in the 11 to 16 area. Got into it right here, so we just missed the upper number. We caught the lower number, and everything worked out pretty much as planned. We had a losing trade right here. This trade was positive. Didn't get our traditional setup right here. That trade was positive. P caught some people short. Made a little, and that's positive. This is a setup for us, positive. This is a setup for us, positive. That's a setup for us, positive. All the same trade, and then so on and so forth. So even though we stubbed our toes starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to make money with our setups and with our standard trading methodologies. Looking at F1 inside day, that's typical after a trend day, pause day. FOMC is tomorrow. We thought we had a down bias starting out. Didn't look for a lot of range today. We did break the Globex low. We haven't got stops above the Globex high. That's doable right now, so we'll see if that actually happens. I think probably the most important number up here is 45 to 50 for us, and that the FOMC announcement tomorrow. Okay, without news, assuming a close here at 25.50, we're selling 27s to 32s, and then we'll pick up 34 to 39. On the buy side, we'll leave it at 14 to 16, like 11 to 16, excuse me, buy one, and then 1 to 6 for buy two. Well, tomorrow we have crude inventories and existing home sales. Looking point 5.42 million, and then the FOMC. Looking at the 10-year, look for a very quiet day tomorrow in the note and the bond. F1 lower high, lower low, look for a place to sell it. Okay, looking at the 30-year. 24.28's number one. Sell 31s to 03s. 7 to 11. On the support side, 16 to 20 number one. Buy 9 to 13. 1 to 5. Look for a tight trading range. Not a lot of volatility, not a lot of range tomorrow. Bias will be to the downside from my work. Looking at gold. Higher interest rates hurts gold. Still think we have a downward bias in gold. Lower high, lower low, F1, find a place to sell it. F2. We have a P put in backwards, which means short covering. So they got stops below that low. So pretty good support, 1300 to 05. Pretty good resistance at 15 to 20 right now. So 5 to 7 by 1. The buck to 02 by 2. On the sell side, 13 to 15 sell 1. And 18 to 20 sell 2. Okay, tonight the APIs for crude oil, I don't have an estimate for those, but it helps us sometimes with our EIA numbers. Not always. Crude oil. I have found no news to explain the rally. It just took off and went. F1 says buy it. We have rejected prices above 63.75. Had some good setups in crude today. Crude was actually pretty friendly to us, even fading the moves because we knew where to place the orders. So right now we're at 50, so 75 to the buck, sell 1. 25 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, 63 even, 63.25, buy 1. And 62.50, 62.75, buy 2. Get the euro. Lower high, lower low, big day down. So I'd expect we're going to have a pause day overnight and in the morning as I wait to see what the Fed does. G20 was positive for Trump's programs today. Wasn't taken back on anything. No open rebellion to what Trump has proposed. Definitely B, definitely pointed lower. So we've got stops down here below 123. We'll make 23, 23.10, buy 1. A little lower in London, maybe not break. 20. Buy 2, 22.75. On the sell side, 5 to 55. And then 75 for sell 2. That's it for this March 20th. I'll see you bright and early in the morning. I'm out of here.